Everyone, my name is Luke. This is the Outdoor Gear Review, and today I am reviewing a product from Coleman. This is the compact folding table. Recently I used this in an overnight adventure, and since then I've received quite a few questions about it. So here I am today to give you all my review, to go over the pros and cons so you can make a decision. Is this a good fit for you? Before setting up the table and going over the stats, let's talk about the size of this when it's all folded up. You do get this canvas bag. The quality of this is so-so. It's good enough to stick the table in, but it's nothing to write home about. There are some loose threads on this. The quality is good, not great. When it comes to the measurements, essentially what you are looking at here is 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 27.5 inches. So this is the canvas bag that you receive with the table. It does have a carry handle. At one end of the bag, you have a draw pull. This is the tabletop. These are the legs. And these are the tabletop support beams. Taking a look here at the tabletop, as you can see, this has a slatted design. Essentially, you have the slats, and they are connected with bungee cord. This is the top of the table, and this is the back of the table. The legs open up just like so you can set it up. Now with the tabletop support, you will see that there's a hole at each end. This essentially just clips into place. You push it down, you expand the table out far enough, just like so. Do that for both sides. Now you are ready to put the tabletop on. When it comes to the tabletop, you will find these plastic attachment points on the bottom. These simply go over the support legs that we just attached. Start at one end, slide them over, just like so, and then you take those plastic pieces and put them over the ends, just like that. And the table is ready to go. Now that we have the table set up, let's go over some stats real quick. When it comes to cost, at the time of filming, $28 for this table, which in my opinion is a fantastic price, considering that there are many companies out there who essentially make the same table, but some will charge 3 times as much, which is pretty crazy. For 28 bucks, not bad at all, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Going back to the stats. As you can see, and as mentioned, it does feature a slat top design. The weight of this table is 9 pounds, 8 ounces. It is made from aluminum, steel, and also plastic. Now when it comes to the dimensions of this table, I have my tape measure here to confirm what the manufacturer states. I never take anyone at their word when it comes to stuff like that. So 27.5 or 27.6, that is correct. 27.6. When it comes to height, we are looking at right at 27 inches. Coleman states that the height of this table is 27.6 inches. That is not correct. At least with my table, it is 27 inches exactly. When it comes to colors, this table is available in silver only. What you see is what is available. When it comes to the purpose of this table, you can use this for just about anything. Now, it is too heavy to go backpacking with, of course. I mean, that's common sense. But for car camping, RVing, overland use, hunting, and so on, this does present you with an interesting option. You could even use this on the beach. In fact, it would work very, very well in sand. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, let's start on that right now. First off, you could set this up in less than 2 minutes. It's very, very easy. Now, second, when it comes to functionality, it's very good. This is a very simple table. The design is simple, but yet it's also smart. All in all, I have to say that I do like the design of this table. It is slatted, so you do need to keep that in mind if you are cutting something, right? If you're slicing something, you either have to have something down or make sure that you slice in between those slats. It's not a big deal, but it is a slatted table. I've already touched upon price already, but the price is excellent considering that there are tables out there that cost 3 times as much as this one, and they look to be the exact same design. Alps Mountaineering has a table that looks to be very close to this, and they want over $60 for it. Now, in my opinion, the sweet spot really is $28. For 28 bucks, you can forgive any of the issues that this table has, and it does have some, and I'll talk about those in just a moment. The stability of this table is also excellent. Here at Lone Wolf Mountain, this ground is not level because there's nothing level in the mountains, and as you can see, it is very stable. It's very, very stable. If you were somehow able to tip this table over you're doing something wrong, because the base of this is so wide, it really does make for a stable platform. Next up, everyone, because of the finish and the materials, it is very easy to clean. You can wipe this off, spray it off, and you're good to go. Now, when it comes to size, I would say that it's a good fit for most people. What you have here is a very large area that you can cook on, you can eat at, and multiple people can sit at this table. It is, in fact, big enough for 4 people. Of course, you would have to have smaller plates. 4 full-size plates, cups, and all that may not fit. But if you're out car camping, you have your paper plates and so on, there should be plenty of room here. When it comes to breaking down the table, it's nice and easy to do, just as easy as it is to set it up. Also, when it's all folded up, it's a small form factor, so you can store that anywhere. Inside of your vehicle, shed, boat, whatever you want. And lastly, because of the materials and the coating, you do not have to worry about any sort of rust. Now let's move to the cons, everyone. One issue that I have with this table is that you really can't sit with your knees underneath it because of the support here, essentially the frame of the table. Unless your chair is really low to the ground, which most people's chairs aren't that low, you will have to have your legs kind of turned at an angle to be able to sit and eat from the table. Moving on, when it comes to the finish, it will scratch and it does stain. I've used this table numerous times now with my trips and whatnot, and it is stained up. There's some black material here that will not come off. It's scratched up pretty good. If it matters to you, you can prevent the scratches by being very, very careful. And also, you could use some sort of topper on top of this. Topper on top of this? Work, brain. If you want to keep this clean, you could have some sort of protective barrier on top. Some sort of cloth, whatever you want. It just popped into my head here that I should mention, while you can't put your knees underneath the table, there is plenty of space underneath to store gear, food, and whatnot. The next con that I have for this table deals with the height of it. I'm not a very tall guy, and I do have to lean over, say when I'm slicing and I'm doing something. If you're taller, this could wear on your back. So you may need to consider lifting it up somehow, or maybe you're doing some cutting and taking a break. Already I've talked about the quality of this table in regards to price and whatnot. We should talk about the weakest point of this table, and in my opinion, it deals with the plastic hardware that is used essentially to clip this thing together. The clip-in points for the support beams and also for the table, in my opinions, that plastic is the weakest point. If the table is going to have a failure, it's going to be there. If you can baby these pieces, especially in the wintertime when plastic is more brittle, I do believe this table will last you a long time. The next point of weakness will be the elastic, but in truth, that should be an easy fix if you have an issue. Now that the pros and cons have been gone over, let's summarize the review. What do I think about this table? Do I recommend it? For 28 bucks, I definitely do. I think that's a good price for the table. You know, for this design, the materials and so on, I think 28 bucks is very much fair. I personally wouldn't want to pay any more than that. I do not think this table is worth 60 bucks like some companies are charging. But for 28 bucks, this does present you with quite a few options for car camping, overland use. You can take it to the beach, throw it inside of your canoe, whatever you want. Overall, I think the quality is good. The storage bag is okay. The quality of the table itself is good. The finish will scratch, the finish will stain, but it is easy to clean. It offers you a good amount of space. The setup and breakdown is super simple. And this table was made by Coleman, and that is a company that generally stands by their products, and they offer a good 1-year warranty. Now, before I end this video, I do have a funny review that I would like to share with you all. I was at Amazon getting my details together for this video, looking at the price, and one of the reviews that popped up really caught my attention. It is rather funny. When it comes to Amazon and the reviews, most people know that they are absolutely worthless. You never ever trust an Amazon review for multiple reasons. First off, companies can go to other companies and pay them to leave positive reviews for their products. But at the same time, one company can hire another company to leave negative reviews for a product. With the review that I'm going to share with you all now, I have no idea if it's legit. I really hope not, but nonetheless, it is a funny review. I'll go ahead and read this to you with my notes. So the review says, total waste of time and money, unless you are backpacking. What? Don't waste your money on this and forget trying to return it. That won't work out well for you. The table is extremely difficult to assemble, and when assembled, it's flimsy. No matter what, it's a funny review, and I wanted to share that with you all. Until next time, everyone, take care, strength and honor. Make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts about this table. Make sure to share your thoughts about my review. If you have any questions, make sure to email me. Strength and honor. Bye.